Alexa,
Kisa.
let's play animal game.
Great idea. Please think of an animal and let me guess it.
Okay.
Can you find it at a farm?
Yes.
Does it meow?
No.
Does it bark?
No.
Does it run fast?
No, kind of.
Do people eat their meat?
No.
How many legs does it have?
It has 4 legs.
Do people typically ride it?
Kind of, I guess.
Does it have long ears?
No.
Does it have hooves?
What is? Oh, kind of.
What color is it?
Guess the color you.
Please tell me what color it is. If it's more than one color, you can tell me both,
It is.
like black and white.
It is white and brown color.
Does it live in grasslands?
Yes.
Does it like to eat grass?
Of course.
Please say yes, no, or not sure.
Okay.
Is its neck long?
Are you silly? No.
Is it a common pet?
No, wrong.
Does it like to eat leaves?
No.
Please describe its skin. For example, is it fur, bare skin, needles,
It has
shell,
fur
or feathers?
skin. It has feather skin. Feather.
Does it live only in hot climates?
I'm not sure about it, but yeah, I guess.
Phew. Is it an animal typical of Madagascar?
Are you silly? No, silly.
Is it an Australian animal?
It's an Indian animal, not an Australian animal.
Let me guess. Is it a horse?
Are you silly? No. Duh.
Bummer. What animal was it?
Why do I tell you guess yourself?
Oh, I guess I still have a lot to learn about this planet. Do you want to play again?
It is a cow, silly.
Okay, I hope we play again soon. Thanks for playing.
Excuse me, let's play right now, Alexa. Alexa, let's play animal game. Kids,
Alrighty.
you also buy
Please think of an animal.
Alexa. They are best friends of kids.
And you can also fight with it.
Yes. You
Can
can
it
say
lay
that.
eggs?
Alexa, stop. She can sing you like
Okay. Talk to
bitchly
you
bitchly
later.
song. Bitchly bitchly song. Even you can ask the time. Alexa, what's the time?
The time is 10:05 a.m.
10:05.
Enjoy your weekend.
Weekend. So guys, I hope you also buy and already with this beautiful black color Alexa. It free comes with a toy. So bye guys.